Hi everybody and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Have you experienced a situation when you want to move the SIM card to another iPhone 10, but the pop-up window says the SIM is locked? Or maybe you forgot the PIN to the SIM card and you couldn't access your iPhone 10? Don't worry, in today's video we'll show you how to unlock it more smoothly. Let's get started. If your iPhone uses an older version of the operating system, there could be a compatibility issue causing your iPhone to show the SIM not supported error message. Let's see how to fix SIM not supported on iPhone 10. First, open the Settings app, then go to General and then Software Update menu. Second, if the update is available for your device, it will show up along with the option to install it on your device. Finally, tap Download and Install, and the update will be installed right on your iPhone 10. However, you can remove SIM lock by using AnyUnlock application. AnyUnlock is a professional iOS unlocker tool that can remove the SIM lock effortlessly. Meanwhile, with this software, you can easily remove the SIM lock on iPhone 5s to 10 running iOS 12 to 14.8.1 without any trouble. It's simple to use and offers quality results as it removes SIM locks without compromising users' data. Besides, it's capable of unlocking various iOS locks such as Apple ID, MDM restrictions, SIM card lock, iCloud activation lock, screen time, and many more. First, download the latest version of AnyUnlock for free from its official website. Once downloaded, launch AnyUnlock and select the Remove SIM Lock option. Second, connect your iPhone to your computer via USB cable and click Start Now button. Then click Start Jailbreak and follow the steps on your iPhone. After that, the jailbreak starts automatically. Third, click Remove Now and it will take a few minutes. After the process is over, you will get the success page. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends on the social nets. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. See you next time. Peace.